Those extreme wind gusts causing problems all across DFW today, and we begin with just a few of those impacts. Take a look right here in Denton. Officials completely closed down I-35E near the Split and UNT for several hours this afternoon. We are told that those gusty winds were picking up construction debris and blowing it onto the roadway, creating a dangerous situation for drivers. You can see that TxDOT camera shaking right there. Now, I-35E has since reopened. And we also got multiple reports of power lines and tree limbs being ripped down. Some photos from Richmond Hills police today. At one point, Encore showed up more than 30,000 North Texas customers without power. That number is going down tonight as those repairs continue. And take a look, this Dallas Lower Greenville neighborhood. The wind is being blamed for bringing down an entire brick wall. Videos show the damage done to a customer's car and the drive-through Starbucks window. Thankfully, employees say that no one was hurt. And finally, northeast of the Metroplex in Quana, the winds whipped up a dust storm, leaving drivers with zero visibility. TxDOT says that led to a 5-car pileup on US 287. Other drivers capturing the aftermath, and we are still working to learn if anyone was hurt.